It's supposed to block noise coming from the highway, but the wall is crumbling down. Investigator Jonathan Walsh joins us now live in the Bradenall area. And Jonathan, there are concerns about safety?
Yeah, I mean, just take a look at this noise wall right here. There's a hole right here in the wall. I-90 is straight through this hole, and you can see piles of the wall collecting here at the bottom. As you walk over here, more is just waiting to fall right off. Now, I have heard from many viewers who are angry that this wall is, in many parts, has gotten to this point where chunks of it are just falling off. They say it's not as effective as it once was when we're talking about noise, and it's really an eyesore. Now, I did talk to ODOT, and reps say that a contractor for the project will be in place in the next couple of weeks, and that it plans on replacing all of this soon. However, it's not soon enough for some, including Cleveland City Councilman Jeffrey Johnson, who represents this area.
You can walk up here right now and it starts to crumble. You know, I have kids riding on bikes. I have children that will play in the area, that will come around here. That's always a risk. The second is that it just looks terrible.
Now, coming up at 5 o'clock on News Channel 5, you'll hear more about ODOT's plans for these walls, when this wall went up, and just how easily these chunks come crashing to the ground. Very interesting. You don't want to miss it. Again, that's at 5 o'clock. We'll see you then. Reporting live here on the east side, I'm investigator Jonathan Walsh, News Channel 5.
Such a pro. Jonathan, thank you for that report.